Hello there, my name is Joel Masiga, a trainer at Gwiji, and I will be training you on how to clean a microwave. So now, the first thing we have to do is to check if our microwave has anything inside that we don't want, anything like food. So let me remove this one because I don't need it. And then this one, you leave it here because you're going to use it in just a few. So take your container or anything plastic like a cup, fill it with water, and then put it inside. Close your microwave, switch it on, and then now for that water we have to give it 5 minutes to let it steam and loosen the grime that is inside this microwave. So now let's set it to 5 minutes. So now let me wait until this time is over, and then I will come and clean my microwave. So now when my water has steamed for 5 minutes, I switch the microwave off and unplug this so I can now open and remove the water. I'm going to put it in a trough, and I add a little bit of mild soap. Then I can now use this water to wipe inside. So let me begin with this one here. So just put a little. Little soap. With the water, you wipe it. So you wipe this gently to remove any oil or any food that might have made here. After that, you now wipe inside your microwave. From up, going downwards. So you wipe it until you are satisfied that it's clean inside. So after cleaning it, I'm going to rinse my cleaning cloth. Then I will rinse inside to make sure it is too clean with no residues of soap. I'm also going to clean the door. Then the exterior. And then I wait for it to dry up completely. After drying, I can now come, open it. It looks nice, and return everything the way it was. Close it, and then plug back. And it's ready to be used again. So this is how you wash a microwave. Thank you so much for watching.